Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to use Squarespace website. Well, to do that, visit squarespace.com. Then explore the versatile template options. Select Central if you want, but feel free to choose any template that suits your purpose. Create an account and name your website. Then familiarize yourself with the website editor featuring an assistant on the right and settings on the left. Build a structural foundation using the Add Section feature for easy section additions. Streamline your content by hovering over sections and using Edit Sections. Customize element within the blocks with simple clicks and double clicks. Access the site styles paintbrush icon to adjust color palettes, fonts, font pairings, and button shapes. Then improve your navigation by accessing websites and then navigation. Manage pages and customize the header or footer through Edit Site Header and Edit Site Footer. Unlock domain connections and more by upgrading. Conclude by publishing your website and copy the domain for alternative use. And that's how to use Squarespace website. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.